How to customize Windows notifications in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control exactly how and where notifications appear on your screen. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Notifications on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top to turn all notifications on or off, but below that are more specific options worth knowing about. From here, click on any app in the list to open its individual notification settings. Following this, inside each app you can toggle off notification sounds so alerts come through silently, turn off notification banners if you don't want pop-ups appearing in the corner of your screen, and hide notifications from the lock screen if you'd rather keep things private. After that, head back to the main notifications page and look for the Additional Settings section near the bottom. From here, you can uncheck options like showing tips and suggestions from Windows and showing notifications from apps on the lock screen to keep things cleaner overall. At this point, if you want to stop notifications from appearing during a specific activity, scroll back up and click on Focus, which lets you set rules for when notifications should be silenced automatically. Finally, you can also change where notifications appear on your screen by adjusting the notification banner position. By default, they pop up in the bottom right corner and stack upward. That's how you customize Windows notifications in Windows 11. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!